In a world where beauty pageants have long been associated with youth, South Korean Choi Soon-ha, at 80 years old, has redefined what it means to chase dreams regardless of age. As a contestant in the Miss Universe Korea 2024 pageant, she is not only competing for the crown but also breaking social norms, challenging perceptions, and inspiring people worldwide. Her journey is a powerful reminder that dreams have no expiration date. If you enjoyed this story and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Follow Choi Soon-ha's journey with us as we bring you the latest updates from the Miss Universe Korea 2024 competition. In the glittering world of beauty pageants, it's rare to see contestants over 30, let alone anyone in their 80s. The beauty industry, particularly beauty pageants like Miss Universe, has long held tight to the idea of youth as the pinnacle of beauty. But Choi Soon-ha is here to rewrite that narrative. Born in 1943 during World War II and surviving the hardships of the Korean War as a young girl, Choi has faced life's most challenging moments. Her experiences as a single mother, grandmother, and former nursing assistant have shaped her into a resilient woman. However, it was a seemingly simple yet deeply profound conversation with her son that reignited a long-forgotten dream, becoming a model and walking the runway. This conversation eventually led her to the doors of Miss Universe Korea 2024, where she now competes as the oldest contestant ever to vie for the crown. Choi Soon-ha was born at a time when her country was torn apart by war. Growing up amidst destruction and loss, she found solace in her dream of becoming a fashion model. But as is the case with many dreams, life's responsibilities took priority. She worked as a nursing assistant for decades, raising her son as a single mother and taking on the challenges that came her way with grace and determination. As the years passed, her dream of becoming a model seemed to fade into the background. Yet, deep down, she never completely let go of it. It wasn't until her son encouraged her to pursue this dream that she decided to take a bold step and enter the Miss Universe Korea competition. In her 70s, Choi Soon-ha made her first foray into the modeling world, making waves as an elderly model. Her elegance and natural beauty turned heads, proving that age is no barrier to fashion. Her journey as a model began modestly, with her practicing catwalks in hospital corridors after work. Little did she know, this seemingly small act would lead her to the grand stages of South Korea's most prestigious beauty pageant. Her first modeling opportunity came when she was invited to walk in a local fashion show. From that moment, Choi was hooked. She embraced her newfound passion with enthusiasm and began participating in more photo shoots and runway shows, slowly gaining recognition for her unique blend of grace, charm, and wisdom. Choi's life took another turn when she discovered that Miss Universe had lifted its age restrictions in 2024. She immediately saw this as her chance to break stereotypes and show the world that beauty and ambition know no age limit. With her son's encouragement, she submitted her application, sending in photos that soon wowed the competition's judges. She was selected as an official contestant for Miss Universe Korea 2024, a moment that brought tears of joy to her and her family. Choi Soon-ha's journey to Miss Universe Korea 2024 has not been without its hurdles. As the oldest contestant ever, she has faced public scrutiny and doubt. There are those who question whether someone of her age can truly compete with women in their 20s and 30s. But Choi has handled these challenges with grace, offering her wisdom in response. "I believe beauty is not just what you see on the outside," she shared in an interview. "It's about your spirit, your confidence, and your life experiences. At 80, I've lived a full life, and I wear my age with pride." Despite the criticisms, Choi has become a fan favorite. Her short white hair, vibrant personality, and undeniable elegance have made her stand out among the younger contestants. Judges and audiences alike have been captivated by her poise and charisma. Many have commented on how her beauty seems to glow from within, a testament to her lifelong resilience and wisdom. In many ways, Choi Soon-ha is a trailblazer. She is not just competing for a crown but for a greater cause, the redefinition of beauty standards and the empowerment of older women across the world. Her participation in Miss Universe Korea 2024 has sparked a global conversation about age, beauty, and the evolving nature of the pageant industry. For decades, Miss Universe and other beauty pageants imposed strict age limits, typically capping contestants at 28. But this year, the Miss Universe organization made the groundbreaking decision to remove these age limits, allowing women of all ages to compete. This shift came as a response to growing public demand for inclusivity and recognition that beauty is diverse and not confined to youth. Choi Soon-ha's inclusion in the competition sends a powerful message to women everywhere: no matter how old you are, your dreams are valid, and your beauty is timeless. Choi's journey has inspired millions across South Korea and beyond. Social media has been flooded with messages of support, admiration, and awe. Fans from all over the world have praised her for her courage and determination, with many calling her a role model for senior citizens. Korea is having a very fashionable moment with old age, remarked Yang Sun-mook, CEO of DQ Communications, one of the key promoters of the pageant. You see it in advertisements, on TV shows, and even in beauty competitions. Choi Soon-ha's presence in Miss Universe Korea 2024 is part of a broader cultural shift that's happening in South Korea. Her participation has also inspired senior citizens to come forward and embrace their passions. Choi has become a beacon of hope for older women, proving that life doesn't end after a certain age, and neither should your dreams. What makes Choi's story even more remarkable is her role as a mother and grandmother. Throughout her journey, she has been supported by her family, especially her son, who played a pivotal role in encouraging her to enter the competition. My son has always been my biggest cheerleader, Choi shared in an interview. When I told him about my decision to compete, he said, "Mom, go for it. You've already made us proud just by following your heart." His words have given me the strength to keep going. As a grandmother, Choi's story has resonated with families across the world. Her participation in Miss Universe Korea is not just about her but also about leaving behind a legacy of fearlessness and inspiration for future generations. Choi Soon-ha's journey to Miss Universe Korea 2024 is a reminder to everyone, young and old, that life is what you make of it. Whether you're 20 or 80, it's never too late to pursue your dreams and redefine your own story. She exemplifies the strength, resilience, and beauty that come with age and experience. For those watching her compete, Choi is more than just a contestant. She is a symbol of empowerment, breaking down barriers that have long been in place in the world of beauty pageants. She reminds the world that true beauty comes from within, and it's the experiences and challenges we overcome that make us truly shine. As Choi Soon-ha prepares for the final stages of the Miss Universe Korea 2024 competition, one thing is clear: her presence has already made history. Regardless of the outcome, she has paved the way for a more inclusive and diverse representation of beauty on a global stage. Her story is far from over, and with each step she takes on the runway, Choi continues to inspire people of all ages to follow their dreams and embrace every stage of life. She proves that age is just a number, and the real beauty lies in the courage to pursue your passions with everything you've got. Will she become the next Miss Universe? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: Choi Soon-ha is already a queen in the hearts of many. Stay tuned for more.